Play. Okay, what's that? It looks like a stand or something. Miniature stand, miniature drawing book, small tubes of colors, small brush, of course. Everything is just miniature drawing sheets. Okay, what they are going to paint? What is she going to paint with it? Small brushes. Okay, maybe good for kids and everything. Okay, of course she is painting with this small brush. Okay, great. Miniature painting in short. Remove those tapes. Yeah, it looks good. Now it looks good. Play. Okay, what's that? Art. Oh, what's that? I'm not getting it. Tissue paper. She is using tissue paper. Okay, the cardboard between that tissue. Okay, taping it up. Oh, it looks like the hand is coming from upwards. Okay, now she's just making a color paint. Oh, nice. Nice idea. Wednesday. this series was good. Okay, how she's going for? Not that great, but it looks cool. Play. Okay, 100%, 75%. What's that? Okay, sad. Little bit more sad. 25% battery. Okay, a little bit angry. Yellow color. Little bit smiling with pink color. 75%. Okay, continue smiling. 100% with green. Those colors are